A 250 Metro card, you get a little more than just getting transportation back and forth. You get to see and discover the underground sounds in the city that never sleeps. Hello everybody, my name is Boy, and we're gonna travel uptown, downtown, all around throughout the 5 boroughs and bringing you the underground sounds of New York City. Follow me. So we're gonna start heading off to our first destination, Union Square, and see if we can find something. We're here at our first location, Times Square. No, sorry, Union Square. In the thick of the rush hour. Everyone's looking at us, wondering what's going on. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. We just got off the train. We hear the beats of the drums. And we just gotta follow the tunes and see where all that's coming from. Right here and there. If you come, we just got off the train, and you got my man right here. Hit it. Hold up. Now real quick. How old are you and what's your name?
21.
21. Why are you out here right now? What? Be real.
I like the smiles.
You like the smiles, right?
Because when I grew up, my father, I had this thing about me and my father that put me down.
What is that?
I don't know what it was, but
So you had something going deep, you had something with your father that kept you going to doing this, right? You want to be a drummer or something? How did you get involved with doing this?
I just want to make people smile.
And that's it. What's your name, brother? What you go by?
Luzar.
Luzar? Where you from?
Planet Earth.
Hit that. Go ahead. My man Luzar. Give me a pound. Oh! Keep it up, rocking it out. We're capturing the sounds of New York City. We're here.
My name is Trey. New York City's original art and music.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Let them know. What's up?
New York City's original art and music. Or music of art, you guys can say. It's very popular in this state. I came to express myself for the people. I'm telling you, it's very hard to talk to a female, but it's very easily talking to the people of music. And music helped me inspire myself. I give Larry out the belt. He helped me spiritually and emotionally. I came to represent. See you guys next time. New York City's original art and music underground.
There you go. There you have it. We're here with my man Luzar 21, Underground Sounds, Union Square. Go ahead, hit him. You gotta show me though.
Yeah.
You gotta show.
Put here.
All right.
Put here.
All right.
Now watch this. Whatever you do, don't move your ankle like
Oh
that.
shit. All right. And then what?
And then you do this. From where you at?
All right.
When you at, you can do this.
All right. I think I got that. No?